you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's gadget adds a soundtrack to your life anytime, anywhere. We're talking about the ultra portable high-res Bluetooth speaker from Anker, the Motion 300. In this video, we're not just gonna be unboxing this thing, we're looking at its features, we're looking at hearing how it sounds, we're also gonna be looking at scenarios where this handheld speaker might just shine and test it against those. Before we move on, special shout out to Anker for partnering with me on this video and sending this speaker over so that we can make this video happen. Right, first up, let's unbox. Feels too handy. You have that Soundcore logo up top and then buttons here. That's a really nice texture. It's not necessarily a physical button, but you can just like press. Not sure if you notice those little speckles of blue on the speaker. It continues to the back and the bottom. I like that little touch. Here you get the charging port, and because this is IPX rated, that seals very nicely. I mean, it's a very sleek little thing. Favorite feature is this strap, which is so underrated. It also opens, so you can clip it onto things, hang it onto things, which is what we'll be trying later. It looks like a very sturdy clip-on. So the thing with these speakers is that you have little feet here, so it stands up like this, but you also have little feet here, so you can lie it down like this. And because you have this little hook hanging thing, you can hang it onto things. Now this has fun features, but I'm gonna need the app to show you that. So first off, this is the Anker Soundcore app, and if you tap here, it'll show you all the stuff it's connected to before. So you can connect multiple devices and it will remember those devices. We have the Motion 300 here. It shows you the battery capacity. You can power on and off. You have different settings up top here, and this is where you also update your speakers. You can also choose your auto power off timing here. You have your button brightness. We are at medium right now. You can do high, you can do low, or you can actually turn it off. And then on here you have, of course, play and pause, volume settings, and then this is interesting. You have Pro EQ features, which means you can actually change around your EQ settings. And just like we've seen in previous Anker speaker videos, you have different sound profiles. So this is Soundcore Signature, Extra Bass, Voice, Balance, and so on. But this is actually pretty cool because of the form factor of this speaker, the fact that you can stand it up or lie it down or hang it. You have a Smart Tune feature, which means that it will optimize sound based on the position your speaker is at. So you can customize each profile to fit your wants and needs. But this is the cool part. So it will also actually detect, for example, it says here that the speaker is standing. If I lie it down, did you see how that switched and how the profile changed? If I stand it up, it does the same thing. It recognizes the position of the speakers, and if I hang it, for example, voila. That comes in useful, I think, to make sure that you have great sound, especially and even if you're on the go. So because of how portable this speaker is, and I know I've talked about portable speaker because we previously covered the Anker Soundcore Motion 600 and the Anker Soundcore Motion 500. This is even more portable, as you can see, because of how tiny it is, and because of that strap, I can imagine so many different use cases. For example, it's pretty easy to carry this around because, well, you can just hang it onto your bag. You can also use that strap to hang it onto things like a tree, so if you're camping or anything of the sort, your sounds automatically have a spot. Plus points because as you saw, Smart Tune will make sure that even if it's hung on a tree, this is gonna sound good. The Motion 300 is also IPX7 waterproof, so that means this might just be perfect for that next beach trip. But since I don't have any beach trips coming up, I decided to test it with my aquarium, and lo and behold, it still works perfectly after this dunk. Aside from all of that, Anker touts 13 hours playback on this thing, so you know it's gonna be good for that next overnight session. Of course, because we are showing off a speaker, I wanted to let you guys hear how it sounds. Quick disclaimer that, of course, it's not gonna be exactly how it sounds. The best thing is, of course, having the real thing and listening to it in person, but at least you get an idea, so cue the music. And that was our look at the Anker Soundcore Motion 300. Really cute portable speakers that might just come in handy for your next adventure. Other details on pricing and availability I will link down in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till the next one!